Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David. Today I'm giving you a quick honest review of the Credit One Bank American Express card. First, the good stuff. This card doesn't require a security deposit and reports to all three major credit bureaus, which means you can build your credit if you use it responsibly. It also earns unlimited 1% cashback on all purchases, and you can get access to perks like Amex offers, retail protection, and free credit store access. However, there are some downsides you should know before applying. There's a $39 annual fee if you have a fair credit, and the interest rate is quite high at around 29 plus percent variable, so carrying a balance can get expensive. There's a 1% cashback rate. It is also pretty low compared to many other cards that offer 1.5% or even 2% back. Because of the low rewards and fees, this card is mainly worth it if you're focused on credit building, not maximizing rewards. If you already have a good or excellent credit, you might find better options elsewhere. Overall, it's decent for credit building, but make sure you're comfortable with the fees and the APR before you apply.